number 55. Okay, so a bullet of mass 0.03 kg moving with a speed of 400 meters per second penetrates 12 centimeters into the fixed block of wood. The average force exerted by the wood on the bullet will be. Okay, so he was saying that the block is fixed block. So first of all, this is a support I am taking, fixed support, upon which we have a block, and this block is fixed, means there is no translation possible for this block. Okay, now onto this block we are just firing a bullet, and this bullet is coming with a velocity. This coming with a velocity which is equal to 400 meters per second is the velocity given for us. So initial velocity is equal to how much? 400 meters per second is the velocity. And what he was saying is, whenever the bullet is fired onto the block, it is penetrating into the block up to 12 centimeters. Okay, let us assume that this distance is equal to 12 centimeters. This is called as the distance up to which the bullet has been entered. Therefore, you can go for this condition. We can take this one as the bullet condition here. Therefore, the bullet is inserted into the block. So that means in the given problem we can say that after traveling up to 12 centimeters, the body will be coming to rest or not, and resting inside the bullet only. Therefore, I can say the velocity will be equal to 0. That means we can say that here we have the maximum velocity, here we have minimum velocity, means I can say the body is said to be retarded. Therefore, the body is having some negative acceleration here. What he was saying is, what he was asking in the problem is, what is the force exerted by the block on the bullet? Okay, so first of all, let us determine the value of velocity. You know equation of linear motion. So the equation of linear motion is nothing but v square minus u square is equal to 2 into a into s. So what is the final velocity is equal to 0 square. So initial velocity is equal to how much given for us? It is given as how much? 400. 400 squared is given as is equal to 2 into a multiplied by displacement is equal to how much it is given as 12 centimeters, means I am taking it as some 0.12 meters. Therefore, displacement is given as 12 centimeters for us in the problem. So I am taking this s is equal to how much? 0.12 meters. So with this we can determine the value of acceleration. It becomes retardation only. You will be getting negative value of acceleration. Okay. Now what he was asking is, what is the force exerted by the block in the opposite direction? That means it is not opposite direction actually. Since the block is fixed, the block will be trying to apply the force in the opposite direction, which is called as resisting force. Okay, to the movement of the body will be having some opposite force exertion. Therefore, I can say that to determine that force, I am taking an equation which is called as sigma fx equal to m into ax. Okay, now what is the force acting on the body here? Actually, bullet is moving in this direction towards right, but the force applied by the block will be in the opposite direction, which is called resisting force will be there. Therefore, I am taking it as what? Minus F is equal to, so minus F is equal to mass of the bullet is given for you. What is the mass of the bullet given for? Is nothing but 0.03 multiplied by acceleration, and he will be getting this value as negative acceleration here. This will be negative acceleration. So your negative comma negative get cancelled. A is known for you, and you can determine the value of F. So after calculation, the value of F will be equal to 20 kilonewtons. Okay, so the right option is option B. B is the right option for that, option B.